Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable wallpaper compression and improve overall image quality on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer pertaining to your background wallpaper. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So basically just a little bit of background in case you guys were unaware. Windows does not apply the full quality image to a desktop wallpaper. It reduces the quality so that the system performance won't be as impacted as greatly. So they do not offer a native way just through the settings to disable the JPEG wallpaper quality reduction, but there is a registry modification we can do to go ahead and actually turn off that reduction feature. So we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. We're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, all you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select file and then import and then navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the H key current user folder. And you want to do the same thing now for the control panel folder. Should be a desktop folder. Just left click on that one time. On the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then you want to select the word 32-bit value. Name this value JPEG, capital letters JPEG, import, quality, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, JPEG, import, quality. First letter of each word should be capitalized. JPEG is all capitalized. It's just an acronym. So go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to save that. And now you want to double click on this value. So if you want 100% as meaning the highest quality wallpaper you can get without any compression, just type in 100 in the value data field here. Value data should say 100. Base should be hexadecimal. Select OK. And once you have that, as you see it on my screen, go ahead and close out of the registry editor, and you need to proceed to restart your computer for the change to take effect. So the image we already had was pretty high quality, so it might be kind of hard to tell, especially depending on the quality of your own monitor and what resolution you're watching this video in. It might be a very marginal difference, but you know what? I wanted to show you guys how to do it, and definitely, it might just be, some sort of confirmation bias, but it looks like it worked in my case, but pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.